Oh shit. I know I did something wrong.
What?
Oh well, at least they're seated right now. Just a minute. I know I was forgetting one thing. Getting ahead of myself. Leave this gasket, these off for now, to tell you the truth. I can stay off.
You fit that put back on.
What the hell's going on? Did I put that in upside down? No way. I'll be a fucking monkey's uncle.
You did?
Yeah. Yeah. My brain dead. I was too focused on the other thing. Huh?
Nothing.
I was wondering why it was sliding so fucking hard.
Doesn't like to come off.
Huh?
Doesn't like to come off.
It'll come off. It'll come off, dude. Can't believe I put that in upside down.
There you go.
So you said it didn't fall off.
I didn't see it fall out.
Then let's count our gaskets. There's that crappy funny one. And there's the new one. You said you didn't see it fall out, but there it is.
Maybe you put it back in there.
Chris, remember I had it on here
Mm-hmm.
when we were putting it in? Jeez, boy. Oh, well, don't matter. We got her, boy. We got her. Just won't want to stay there. I'm gonna take it back off. I gotta figure something out.
Spit.
Yeah. Good old spit. That might hold in place.